all, guys. So please don't forget tomorrow Family Day, Christmas party, and we will celebrate it all together with our family, teachers, and friends. And of course, let us all greet our SPA President a happiest birthday! Happy birthday to you! Thank you!
Hello, may hapon sa kalan. Hi.
Sino magbibiya yung partner? Sino magbibiya ang karon? Sino yung biya yung partner?
Bouncer George will be giving prizes for birthday bash